Hello, fellow illustrators, art makers, creators, and animators. Exciting news! A fresh new app has just landed, ready to take you to a world filled with movement and magic where you can bring your dreams to life. I'm talking about Procreate Dreams, a new 2D animation app from the makers of Procreate. This new app has expanded my creativity in so many ways, and I know it can do the same for you, even if you have no animation skills at all. Discover the art of effortless animation in my course, Getting Started with Procreate Dreams, Animation for Everyone. Procreate Dreams is not just an app, it is a powerhouse for unleashing your imagination. Developed by the brilliant minds behind the drawing and painting app Procreate, which has taken the digital art world by storm, Procreate Dreams is a full-fledged animation studio at your fingertips. It comes equipped with easy-to-use tools that turn anyone with an iPad into an animator. You'll be shocked at how quickly you can create something magical, and I'm here to teach you how to do it. I'm Lisa Bardot, and I help people find their creativity through drawing and now animating on the iPad. I've helped millions of people all over the world learn new art-making techniques and discover their inner artist. For over a decade, I've been pushing the boundaries of making art on the iPad, and now animation has become an exciting addition to my creative process. Animation to me feels like pure magic every time I press the play button, and I can't wait to share this magic with you. Procreate Dreams may be fresh on the scene, but I have been deeply involved with it for several months as a beta tester during its development. Even more exciting was when the Procreate team invited me to London to present a Procreate Dreams demo just after the big keynote announcement where they unveiled Procreate Dreams to the world. Since then, I've been diving deep into animation, and it is so addicting. All of this experience means I have so much knowledge to share with you, and I can't wait to get started. In this course, we're not just scratching the surface, we are diving deep into the Procreate Dreams universe. We'll navigate the app's interface, master gestures, and then explore the 3 key animation techniques: the classic frame-by-frame animation, the precision of keyframing, and the innovative performing tool that allows you to instantly animate through acting and feeling. Get ready for hands-on experience. You'll embark on a series of follow-along animation projects that will have you creating diverse movements like twirling, falling, driving, flying, swaying, looking, blinking, spinning, and more. You'll explore animating over video, working with audio, and mastering essential animation tools such as keyframes, anchor points, onion skin, timing, and easing. And I promise it's not as technical as it sounds. And for you Procreate users, you'll learn how to animate your past Procreate work, including setting up your artwork for animation and importing your Procreate files into Procreate Dreams. This course is for anyone keen on exploring their creativity through animation and serves as a crash course for folks wanting to get started. Whether you're an illustrator wanting to bring your art to life, a content creator aiming to enhance your brand with engaging animations, or an animator looking to up your game with Procreate Dreams, this class is for you. To take this course, you will need your iPad, your Apple Pencil, and the Procreate Dreams app, which is available on the Apple App Store. And don't forget the original Procreate app as well. We'll be using it for a lesson on setting up your artwork for animating in Procreate Dreams. Plus, as a student, I've got you covered with resource files. You'll have access to ready-to-animate templates so you can dive right into learning. Procreate Dreams is a game changer. And it's not about creating intricate animations. It's about having a blast and finding new ways to express your artistic side. Ready to set your creativity in motion with Procreate Dreams? Let's make movement magic together and bring some dreams to life.